Making our customers happy is our #1 priority. So when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, we love to share it. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.